Have you ever run a machine learning model only to find that the predictions are completely off? It's frustrating, isn't it? If you've experienced this with the Keras Inception-V3 model, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to troubleshoot this issue together. I totally understand how disheartening it can be when your model's predictions don't match your expectations. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges when working with complex models like Inception-V3. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user reported that after running the Keras example code for the Inception-V3 model, the predictions were way off. They suspected an error in the weights. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing these inaccurate predictions? It could be due to several factors, including incorrect image pre-processing, model weights not being loaded properly, or even issues with the input image itself. We'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that could help you avoid these issues in the future. To address the issue with the Inception-V3 model predictions, the user should first ensure that the model is correctly loading the pre-trained weights. This can be done by checking the weights parameter in the model instantiation. Next, the user should verify that the input image is being pre-processed correctly. The Inception-V3 model requires specific pre-processing steps to ensure the input data is in the right format. Additionally, the user should confirm that the input image is indeed the one they intend to classify. They can do this by printing the image path before loading it. If the predictions are still incorrect, the user might want to test the model with a different image to rule out issues with the current image. This can help determine if the problem lies with the model or the specific image being used. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should consider updating their Keras library to the latest version. Sometimes, bugs in older versions can lead to unexpected behavior. Fun fact, the Inception-V3 model was designed to recognize over 1,000 different categories of images. So, if it's misclassifying, it can be quite a puzzle. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the Inception and ResNet models require different pre-processing methods. To properly pre-process your input for the Inception model, you can use a custom function that scales the pixel values. This function divides the input by 255, subtracts 0.5, and then multiplies by 2. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution from another user suggests importing the pre-process input function from the exception module. This can help improve the predictions of the Inception-V3 model. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your image pre-processing steps and model initialization. These small details can make a huge difference in your model's performance. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get more accurate predictions from your Inception-V3 model. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on machine learning.